Today I'm going to talk about the major shifts that will be required for math teachers when starting to teach the Common Core state standards. It's going to really require some fairly big shifts from the traditional approach of how we've been teaching mathematics for so many years to some new shifts that are very exciting and that are going to ultimately benefit our students in big ways. So just a few suggestions that teachers might keep in mind and things that they could implement when they start to think about making these shifts. The first thing that I highly recommend is get rid of all those worksheets. For too long, our students have really been suffocating from what I call death by worksheets. So get rid of these worksheets that just have large numbers of procedural things that the students need to do over and over and over again. Again, really pay attention to that equal intensity. Yeah, they've got to do some worksheets and some problems, but don't make that the basis for the whole lesson. Another suggestion that I have is don't spend all of your time on the conceptual things in classroom and then expect the students to go home and memorize all of the procedural things. Don't talk about the concepts of multiplication in your classroom and then expect the students to go home and only memorize their flashcards at night, especially a lot of our students who may not have the support at home that they need. Again, pursue with equal intensity that conceptual, the procedural, and the application both in class as well as when you're assigning it for homework. And the number one suggestion that I have for teachers when making these shifts is stop talking so much. Give your students a chance to talk about the math concepts. This whole idea of us standing in front of the whiteboard and doing lots and lots of examples while the students copy them down and then regurgitate it for the test, those days are over with the Common Core state standards. Give your students a chance to talk. Give your students a chance to explore. Your perfect lesson may not end in 50 minutes anymore. It's okay to leave students wondering. It's okay to leave things open until you come back to the next day. Remember, what we're really trying to push here with our students is not just a love of math, but a deep exploration and the stamina to really explore concepts and to figure things out for themselves. The best way to do that, stop talking so much and give them a chance to process the information.